We're adopting Gus. Gus is a Catahoula, which I had never heard of until today, but he has a houndy face and we have a soft spot for hounds. His behavior was just so loving that we had to say yes. Because he's a hurricane dog, it spoke to our hearts a little bit deeper. We like the idea of rescuing the dog because he was in peril or was in a situation where he wouldn't be able to thrive. I am so happy and overwhelmed, and I can't wait to play with a tennis ball and a frisbee and get him out and comfortable with our house and our family.